The 2026 Kawasaki W800 is a true modern classic. Check out the beautiful metallic paint and the...
How are you, riders? Welcome back to Bike Zone Showroom, where passion meets precision and every motorcycle tells a story worth riding. Today, we're stepping into the world of timeless style paired with modern performance. This bike doesn't chase trends. It defines a classic for a new generation. I'm talking about the 2026 Kawasaki W800, a machine that takes retro design to heart while delivering a riding experience that's unmistakably contemporary. Get ready to rediscover what it means to ride with soul, style, and substance. From the very first glance, the 2026 W800 strikes a chord, a deep, nostalgic whisper that resonates with motorcycle lovers everywhere. Kawasaki has kept the lines clean and elegant, paying homage to the classic British and Japanese standards of the past, but with a refinement that feels modern and purposeful. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank with its glossy finishes, the sculpted side panels, and the classic round headlight all evoke a sense of heritage. But then you notice the subtleties, the LED lighting that's seamlessly integrated, the crisp panel gaps, and the refined paint options like metallic matte graystone, candy emerald green, and the limited pearl blizzard white edition. It's vintage-inspired without feeling outdated, a design that truly feels like it belongs in both a 1976 Café and on a FOD and on a 2026 open road. And now let's talk about price, because this is where the W800 delivers remarkable value. The 2026 Kawasaki W800 starts at around $9,499 USD for the standard edition, making it an accessible gateway into the world of premium motorcycles. The Special Heritage Edition comes in at about $10,999 USD, a modest premium for the exclusive touches and upgraded aesthetics. When you consider the emotional value, build quality, and timeless appeal this bike offers, that pricing feels more like an invitation than a ticket. Beneath that beautifully styled exterior lies an engine that perfectly captures the spirit of the W lineage. The 2026 Kawasaki W800 is powered by a 773cc air-cooled vertical twin engine, tuned to deliver smooth, torquey performance throughout the rev range. This engine doesn't overwhelm with raw horsepower numbers. What it does is more refined and emotionally satisfying. You get around 54 horsepower and 62 Newton-meters of torque, which might not sound like a R-class machine, but in real-world riding this translates to effortless cruising, confident overtakes, and a relaxed yet responsive feel in everyday riding conditions. Twist the throttle and you're rewarded with a smooth wave of power that feels alive, singing with a rich exhaust note that's deeper and more resonant than you'd expect from a retro bike. Real-world performance is where the W800 really earns its place in the hearts of riders. On city streets, it's calm and composed, gentle through traffic, but always ready when you need to burst forward. On back roads and highways, the mid-range torque shines, allowing you to cruise at comfortable speeds without feeling strained. It's not about blistering speed or stratospheric horsepower. It's about connection, the kind of ride where you feel every nuance of the road through the bike. Handling on the 2026 W800 remains faithful to its classic roots, yet it feels remarkably agile and assured for a standard bike. The double cradle steel frame provides a solid, balanced foundation, and the suspension, with telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, is tuned just right for a compliant, confidence-inspiring ride. Whether you're cruising relaxed on a Sunday morning or carving corners on a scenic back road, the bike responds predictably and with grace. The seating position is upright, comfortable, and intuitive, putting you in harmony with the machine rather than fighting it. The braking setup, with its single-disc front and rear supported by ABS, provides reassuring stopping power, smooth, progressive, and confidence boosting. When it comes to technology, you'll find that Kawasaki has brought the right amount of modern convenience without compromising the bike's classic soul. The instrument cluster is a tasteful blend of analog gauges with a subtle digital overlay, giving you all the essential information: speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, without cluttering the view. The LED headlights and taillights improve visibility and efficiency, while standard ABS enhances safety in unpredictable road conditions. There's no excessive rider mode juggling, no overt electronic interference, just the essentials done right. Respecting the simplicity that makes this bike so appealing. Comfort on the W800 is genuinely excellent. The seat is broad and well padded, designed for long rides without fatigue. The upright handlebars give you a relaxed posture that keeps your wrists and back at ease even after hours on the road. Wind protection is moderate, appropriate for its style, encouraging a connection with the environment rather than isolating you from it. Fuel range is another strength. With a generous tank capacity and the efficient nature of the engine, you can expect to cover comfortable distances between fill-ups, making it a capable machine for both daily riding and longer weekend excursions. Now, here's where things get exciting. Kawasaki has introduced a 2026 W800 Special Heritage Edition, taking everything you love about the classic model and elevating it with premium touches. This edition comes with genuine leather seat trim, brass accents on the tank badges, spoked aluminum rims with a polished finish, and signature two-tone paint schemes that feel both vintage and unique. It's a nod to those who want a motorcycle that's not just functional and enjoyable to ride, but also a piece of rolling art that reflects personality and pride. So who is the 2026 Kawasaki W800 for? This machine is for the rider who loves character over chaos, connection over competition. It's for those who appreciate the joy of a smooth engine singing beneath you, for riders who want elegance without pretense, comfort without compromise, and heritage without stagnation. It's perfect for newcomers who want a bike that's forgiving and rewarding. And it's equally appealing to seasoned riders who remember the classics and want that feeling combined with modern reliability. Every time you ride the W800, you realize it's more than just a motorcycle. It's a reminder of why we ride in the first place. There's a purity to its simplicity, a joy in its balanced performance, and a deep satisfaction in its approachable yet engaging nature. It's a bike that invites you to slow down and savor the ride, to feel the wind and smile at the horizon, to connect with the road and with yourself. In a world where motorcycles are often built to impress with numbers, the W800 wins hearts with feel. The 2026 Kawasaki W800 is a celebration of timeless design, balanced performance, and emotional connectivity. It's a motorcycle that doesn't rely on flash to impress. Instead, it relies on character, substance, and soul. Whether you're a commuter looking for elegance in everyday rides or a weekend explorer chasing sunrise coffee stops, this bike has something for you. So riders, if you're ready to embrace a machine that ties the past to the present, that rewards each mile with joy and meaning, and that offers performance and comfort at a price that feels just right, then maybe it's time to see what the W800 feels like beneath you. There's a world of roads waiting out there, and this bike feels like the perfect companion for every one of them. This is Bike Zone signing off. Ride safe and never stop exploring.